In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide candles in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone who's just getting started, learning how to customize your charts can make a significant difference in how you interpret market movements. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process of hiding those candles on TradingView step by step. First off, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView platform and open up your chart. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, simply go to the TradingView website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the Chart tab at the top of the page and click on it. This will open up your main charting interface where you'll conduct most of your analysis. Now that you're on the chart, the next step is to access the settings. You can find the settings option in one of two ways. Either direct your attention to the upper right corner of the chart interface, where you should see a cogwheel icon. This is your settings button, or you can simply right-click anywhere on the chart itself. A context menu will appear, and you'll find the settings option there. Once you've opened the settings, a dialog box will appear with several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Symbol. This is where you'll find all the options related to how your chart data is displayed, allowing you to finesse the visual presentation to suit your preferences. At this point, you'll see a series of checkboxes corresponding to different chart features. To hide the candles on your chart, you'll want to uncheck the boxes that pertain to displaying the candlesticks. Depending on how you have your TradingView account configured, you might see different features here, but the main focus is on removing the candlestick visuals from your view. After you've unchecked the appropriate boxes, you might feel tempted to double-check your selections. It's always a good practice to ensure you've made the right choices before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the selections you've made, it's time to save these changes. To finalize, look for the OK button, usually found at the bottom of your settings dialog box. Clicking this will apply your changes, update your chart, and voila! The candlesticks should now be hidden, giving you a cleaner look at your chart without the clutter of candles. And there you have it. It's really quite a straightforward process once you know where to look, and it can help in focusing on different aspects of your analysis. Thank you for joining me in this short guide. I hope it makes your charting a bit more personalized and helps you focus on the things that matter most to you in your trading journey. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.